this guide, we're going over a Subnautica 2 lithium location. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now for this location, just a heads up, you will need the heat adaptation because the area is pretty dangerous. I would also recommend bringing the sonic resonator and of course a higher capacity oxygen tank. But go ahead and start from the life pod, which we're using as our reference right here, and you're going to make your way east just like so. Continue heading pretty much straight east from the life pod, specifically about 90-95 degrees east, just like so. And you essentially need to keep going straight until you go ahead and reach the fire zone. You'll see a heat meter kind of start popping up on your screen as soon as that happens. But continue heading straight until you go ahead and see the giant wreckage here. Keep in mind there is a Leviathan just past this location, but don't worry, we don't actually have to go past the location at all, which is very convenient. But you'll see a giant wreck, and it's kind of hard to see right here, but it's going to be right here. Once you see the wreck, what you need to do is essentially go ahead and head towards it, and then make your way down. It's going to take you into a really cool looking biome area. It's going to look something like this for you to give you a quick little look around. And what you need to do when you're in this area is essentially look on the wall and you're going to see these giant lithium nodes right here. You need to use that sonic resonator to just blow these things straight off, and of course you'll go ahead and get those lithium. It's going to be the full process right here though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.